Another way to create a hatch in Dibac is using the point-by-point method. This will allow me to create a hatch inside a region that I previously marked by clicking on each corner of the shape. To select this method, I click on the Hatch tool, select a frame type, such as double scratch, and will create a hatch with a spacing of 0.4. Here, I will have to select the point-by-point method. Now, with the function active, I can choose a color for the hatch and make sure to deactivate the orthogonality. This is very important. This method will not work if I have the orthogonality on. To start with the selection of the region for the hatch, I'm going to start marking the outer perimeter by clicking on each corner one by one. Once I finish with the outer perimeter, make sure to click once again in the first point to confirm the outside boundary. Now I can start marking the inner perimeter by doing the same process, clicking point by point until I complete the whole shape. To finish, make sure to click again in the first point of the inner perimeter and then once again in the first point that I've marked. Now right-click with the mouse to display the hatch.